Durian, one of the most controversial fruits in the world. Loved by some, avoided by others, but impossible to ignore. Behind its thick, spiky shell lies a flavor unlike any other. Rich, creamy, powerful. Now imagine that flavor, carefully transformed into a modern baked product. A soft cake, a molten durian center, crafted with precision. One bite tells the story. But creating this experience requires more than taste. It requires technology, discipline, and absolute control. This is the journey of durian cake production.
We've optimized the robotic arm on speed on this line.
And the throughput is up by 20%.
The journey begins far from the factory floor, at large-scale durian orchards, where towering trees grow under tropical conditions, and every fruit matures at its own natural pace. Here, durians are not harvested by chance. Only fruits that reach the correct maturity, weight, and aroma profile are selected.
Check the diameter on this one.
Harvesting is done carefully. Each durian is cut and
harvest.
lowered with control to protect both the fruit and the workers. From the moment it leaves the tree, quality is already being measured.
This one looks promising.
Once
Color and
harvested,
weight.
the durians are
This
placed
one looks
into
strong.
padded
We
containers,
should mark it for harvest
protected,
next week.
organized, prepared for the next stage of their journey.
Bring those crates to the staging area by the truck. We need to load them fast.
Before leaving the orchard, each
Watch your
durian
side, easy
undergoes
now.
a final inspection. Freshness,
Okay, all clear.
integrity, consistency. To preserve quality, the fruits are transferred into a controlled cold chain system. Temperature and humidity are carefully managed,
bring
ensuring
it
the
back slowly
durians
now,
remain
hold it there.
stable during long-distance transport. From tropical farmland, they begin their journey toward Europe. A journey that demands precision logistics, timing, and continuous monitoring. At the destination, a modern European food processing facility awaits. Built to meet strict food safety standards, this factory operates in a clean, fully controlled environment. Before entering the production area, every worker follows strict hygiene procedures, protective clothing, gloves, hair coverings, safety footwear. Inside these walls, nothing is left to chance. The durians are carefully opened using controlled techniques. The thick shells are removed. Only the golden flesh remains. This flesh is then transferred to stainless steel processing units. Here, it is blended and refined until a smooth, uniform texture is achieved. Every step is monitored. Texture, temperature, consistency. The result is a rich durian filling, creamy and stable, ready to be combined with pastry dough. While the filling is prepared, the dough is mixed separately. Industrial mixers knead the dough until it reaches the required elasticity and structure. Automated systems then shape the dough, injecting precise amounts of durian filling into each portion. Uniformity is critical. Every cake must meet the same standard. The filled cakes are placed onto trays and enter large industrial ovens. Temperature and time are carefully controlled. Slowly the cakes rise. A golden surface forms. Steam escapes gently. This is where flavor meets engineering. After baking, the cakes move along cooling lines. Once stabilized, each product undergoes quality inspection. Only cakes that meet visual, structural, and safety standards continue forward. Automated
Look closely at
packaging
this specific
machines
area,
then
the tolerance
seal
is
the
tight.
cakes,
Reading
protecting
confirmed.
freshness
It's
and
within
extending
specification.
shelf life. Robotic systems stack and organize the final products ready for storage and distribution. From a tropical orchard to a modern European factory, from raw fruit to a refined baked product, every step is guided by control, precision, and respect for the ingredient. This is how durian becomes durian cake. A balance of tradition and technology, nature and engineering, flavor and process.